Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. NYMEX natural gas price still affected by the negative pressures represented by holding below the important resistance at $2.86 level. In addition, break in its nearby support at $2.63 level. Expected downside target till $2.50 and $2.30 level indicate short-term trend is bearish. MCX natural gas price had started forming lower high lower low formation signals further weakness in upcoming trading session. However, any break below 226 level, which act as a key support, will drag the price further down till 217 and 210 level in near term. On the way up, key resistance formed at 242 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.